Okay, this is your last warm-up for grade 7 reachback. We have 4 questions that ask you to solve this numerically instead of symbolically with the scales. So we have x minus 4 equals negative 1. On the side of my variable, I do not have any coefficient. I just have a constant of negative 4. So to get rid of a negative 4 constant, I'm going to do the opposite operation, which is adding 4 to both sides. Because whatever I do to one side, I would do to the other side, especially if we think about the picture. And that's going to create this 0 pair, because a negative 4 and a positive 4 makes 0. And I'm left with just x. Now I have to use my integer sense in this next part. What does a negative 1 and a positive 4 combine to make? A positive 3. So therefore your solution is x is equal to 3. If I think about the next question, I have x plus 3 equals negative 2. My constant is positive 3, so I want to get rid of that. I want to do it by opposite operation. So a positive 3 and a negative 3 make? Anyone, y'all? That's right. Don't shout it all out at once, but yes, 0. So that creates a 0 pair. And x is equal to the sum of negative 2 and negative 3. And what does a negative 2 and a negative 3 make? A negative 5. That's right. So our solution is x is equal to negative 5. In the next one, it says 5 groups of x, or 5 times the value of x is equal to 15. So if I think about what it would look like pictorially, it would be 5 x's equals 15. And I would divide them into 5 scales, etc., etc. But I'm not going to do that pictorially. But I wanted to show you that because I want to divide those 5 x's into 5 scales, or I'm going to divide by 5. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So 5 x's divided into 5 piles makes 1x. And 15 divided into 5 piles makes 3. So our solution for the third one is x equals 3. And finally, the last one, I'm just going to think real quick about it, what it would look like pictorially. A quarter of x is equal to 1. How many of these do I need to make a full x? I would need 4 of them. So therefore, I'm going to multiply this by 4, and I'm going to multiply this by 4. And 4 quarters of x will make a full x. And 4 ones will make 4. And therefore, my solution is x is equal to 4.